Have you ever found yourself at the bottom of life's roller coaster, wondering if you'll ever make it back to the top? We've all experienced setbacks that leave us battered and bruised, questioning our abilities and our worth. But here's the thing, setbacks are not the end. They're just an unexpected twist in your story. Today, we're diving into the art of the comeback, exploring 12 transformative steps that can turn your setbacks into stepping stones. So, grab a seat and get ready to rewrite your narrative because this could be your year, the year of your great comeback. Imagine this. You're on the edge of a cliff, staring into the abyss of your past mistakes and failures. Whether you're Tiger Woods, Kenny Powers, or just an everyday warrior, it doesn't matter. A comeback is within your grasp. Have you ever faced seemingly insurmountable odds? Well, my friend, you're not alone. Life is an unpredictable roller coaster, and sometimes we find ourselves in a downward spiral. Whether it's a failed relationship, a career stumble, or just plain bad luck, the first step towards a comeback is acknowledging the fall. Let's delve into the art of crafting a masterful comeback plan that not only addresses the past, but also propels you toward the life you desire. Crafting your comeback plan. Step 1. Face what went wrong. Picture this, a canvas painted with your mistakes, laid out in stark black and white. Acknowledge the missteps, whether they're your fault or a twist of fate. Embrace the discomfort of facing the truth, for a comeback begins with this brutal honesty. Remember, not every downfall is solely your responsibility. Life throws curveballs, and it's okay to duck, dodge, and learn. Step 2. Learn from what went wrong. Like a detective investigating a case, analyze the root causes without judgment. Were distractions your nemesis, or did anxiety paralyze your efforts? Maybe it's time to reassess your priorities and relationships. Your comeback doesn't need to follow the same path as your downfall. Life offers alternative routes. Step 3. Reconsider your goal. In the quest for a comeback, evaluate the direction you're heading. Does your initial goal still align with your passions and aspirations? If not, recalibrate. Life is a series of trials and errors, and a failed trial doesn't define your journey. It merely signals a detour towards a more fulfilling destination. Step 4. Abandon setback mentality. Setbacks don't define you. They're just detours on the road to success. A setback mentality, fueled by self-absorption and negative thinking, only hinders your comeback. Remember, not everyone sees you as a failure, and those who do don't matter. Shift from dwelling on problems to focusing on solutions. Your setback is temporary, but your comeback is fueled by hope and positive thinking. Now, imagine you're standing at a crossroads. The path to redemption lies ahead, paved with resilience, introspection, and determination. But how do you navigate this intricate maze of self-discovery? Step 5. What can you do differently to prevent a repeat? Channel your inner problem solver. What changes can you make to avoid a repeat performance? Whether it's preparing for a natural disaster or avoiding toxic relationships, a strategic plan emerges. Sometimes, the weights holding you down aren't just circumstances, they might be people. Cut ties with toxicity, for your comeback demands a lighter load. Step 6. Deciding your priorities and goals. Armed with insights, it's time to map out your comeback. Your journey may lack a perfect 12-step plan, but that's okay. Start with a few achievable steps, gradually refining your route as you progress. Action, my friend, speaks louder than words. Take that first step and watch as your words transform into tangible achievements. In this journey of self-discovery, never underestimate the power of sharing your aspirations with a trusted companion. Picture yourself confiding in a supportive friend, an empathetic ally who understands the hurdles. It's not just about talking, it's about accountability and shared victories. Step 7. Talk about your plan. Engage with someone who wasn't part of the storm. Seek wisdom from those who weathered similar tempests. Friends who conquered academic pitfalls or relationship storms might provide invaluable insights. Vocalizing your plan makes it more than just a dream. It becomes a commitment to yourself and those who believe in your potential. Step 8. Exit survival mode. Survival mode might be a necessary pit stop, but it's not the destination. After healing, it's time to exit survival mode and re-enter life's journey. Dwelling on unfairness and wrongs keeps you isolated, preventing growth, progress, and impact. God didn't put you here to merely survive. You're meant to thrive and have your comeback. So, pack up your survival gear, for the mountain ahead requires a mindset of thriving. Step 9. Make resolutions. Now, imagine your comeback plan as a series of resolutions, each a stepping stone towards success. Allocate time for these resolutions, reward yourself for small victories, and create a scoreboard to track your progress. It's like turning your life into an immersive game. Every win fuels your momentum. Step 10. Bid farewell to bad habits. Acknowledge your bad habits, understand their origins, and trade them for healthier alternatives. If comfort comes from video games or excessive eating, find substitutes that align with your goals. This isn't about self-deprivation. It's about redirecting your energies towards positive, fulfilling habits. Step 11. Surround yourself with positive people who'll support you. Imagine a support network comprised of parents, friends, and mentors cheering you on. Weed out those who hold you back, focusing on those who uplift and inspire. Share your victories, however small, with them, turning setbacks into opportunities for growth. Step 12. Hold your head up high. Finally, envision yourself standing tall, head held high, refusing to believe anyone who doubts your comeback. You've done it before. You can do it again. Embrace the journey, savor the ups and downs, and relish the joy in the pursuit of your goals. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. The art of making a comeback is about resilience, self-reflection, and unwavering determination. In conclusion, reflect on these key points. Acknowledge your mistakes, learn from them, embrace the path to redemption, abandon setback mentality, exit survival mode, and surround yourself with positivity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep striving, keep believing, and don't forget to share your comeback stories in the comments. Your journey awaits, and your story is ready to be written.